keeps the environment clean. Now let's see what Amigo will do. Come on, buddy. Alright, come on. First, you pick up the plastic cup, walk all the way. Come on. Open the bin. And drop it inside. And for the second one, so you pick up the Coca-Cola can, walk all the way. Open the bin and drop it inside. Good bird. And for the last one, buddy, open the bin and drop it inside. Now see, if the bird can do, why can't we, right? So always remember that put your trash in the trash bins, because we all know that cleanliness is next to godliness. Okay, well, I guess Amigo together with his flying feathered friends have something to tell us. So do you want to see today, buddy? So welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Now ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. So here are two blue and gold macaws named Kyle. Hi Kyle. And Carl. And wait, there's more. Please come on, guys. So we have a total of 6 blue and gold macaws named Harry, Hardiman, Tony, Kyle, and Carl. And of course our green wing macaw named Rico. Hi. Hi guys, say hi to them. Come on. Right. So macaws are very adaptive birds. So whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal for them. And if they were surrounded with many people, they will accept many people. On their diet, they love to eat varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And they also have a powerful beak that can crack hard-shelled nuts. So in fact, we have a total of 370 species of parrots around the world, and macaws are the largest. Okay? Oh, are you guys? Well, I guess they're going back home to get more food. So a round of applause to our flying macaws. Alright, so for our next bird is a very special, intelligent, and of course a handsome bird. But I need your help to call his name. Can you say Jumbo? Louder, say Jumbo. Alright, please come up, buddy. Alright. So here's another green wing macaw named Jumbo. So this time, buddy, I want you to wave at them. Wave at them. Alright, bird. One more. Wave at them. Okay, so macaws have a very long tail and feathers that can grow up to 3 feet from their head to tail, and their tail can reach up to 2 feet. Now Jump is going to show his beautiful tail. Can you turn around, buddy? Alright, good bird, one more. Okay, so we can see most of the colors outside their body and that color under its wings. Now Jump is going to show his beautiful wings. Can you say wings? Good bird. Alright, so one more, say wings. Okay, so macaws' feet are zygodactylous, meaning that they have 2 toes that point forward and 2 toes that point backward. And they also use their beak to hold on things. And now Miss Debbie has a groundnut. He will place it inside the plastic basket, and that's our reward for Jumbo. Now let's see how Jumbo gets his reward. Come on, buddy. So he carefully lifts up the plastic basket and get his reward. So we are using our reward system to recompense the intelligence and the efforts of our birds. And as what I said earlier, the Jump is a very special and intelligent bird. Wanna know why? Again, wanna know why? Because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. So we prepared 2 tests for Jumbo. First, we will be having a spelling test. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we have here 5 animal features: the zebra, horse, tiger, camel, and the snake. And I want you to choose one animal feature, okay? So, what do you want to choose? Louder, please. Again? Alright, so I hear camel with Mr. Ian. So while Mr. Irving is preparing the jumbled letters, let's have a short interview together with Miss Debbie. So Miss Debbie, good afternoon, ma'am. So how are you?
Fine.
Oh, alright, so doing great. So what are Jumbo's favorite foods?
Varieties of fruits, seeds, and vegetables.
Varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Alright, buddy. Are you ready? Okay. Just take a look at the picture carefully. And what is the spell of the camel? Come on, you can do it. So first letter. So we pick up the letter C, good bird. And second letter, buddy. So we pick up the letter A. Alright. And for the third letter. Alright, so we pick up the letter M. Next letter, buddy. Alright, so we pick up the letter E. And for the last letter. Come on. Pick it up. Come on. Alright, just take your time, buddy. Alright, so first, you pick up the letter L, and the camel spell C-A-M. Is it correct? Alright, so I think it's too easy for Jumbo, right? So now let's have a mathematical test in addition 4. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to choose two numbers between 1 to 10. Okay, so first decide. Master, what you want to choose? Hand gesture. Alright, so let's have 5. How about decide? Higher than 5. Alright, so 7. 5 and 7 with Mr. Chris. So now, Miss Debbie, what are Jumbo's favorite subjects?
English and math.
Oh, English and math. Wow, that's impressive. So, where did Jumbo go to school?
University of Cebu Safari.
University of Cebu Safari. Now, Miss Debbie, where did Jumbo originally came from?
South America.
South America, but he loves to stay here in the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Alright, so, okay, Jumbo, are you ready? So, 5 plus 7 is equal to, let's see how good he is at math. Come on. First number, good bird, so we pick up the number 1, and next number, buddy? Last number? Alright, so we pick up the number 2, so 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Is it correct? Alright, so our round of applause, our green ring mako name, Jumbo. So at this moment, ladies and gentlemen, I need 2 volunteers, a kid and adult volunteers. So we have there our staff, we are ready, so we will give you advice or instructions to what they'll do. Alright, again, a kid and adult volunteer. So make sure that the kid is not afraid of the bird, okay? Come on, who wants to volunteer? Alright, so I think you already have a volunteer. Okay. How about the adult volunteers? So I think you already have volunteers. Right, so hi ate, hi. Hi. You're not afraid of the bird? You're not afraid of the bird? You're not afraid of the bird? Okay. It's okay? So just don't do any extra movements, relax and don't touch our bird, okay? Can you please stretch your right arm like this, ate? Like that, alright? So, are you ready? Now, I want you to meet our cute and fluffy bird named Bunny. Come on, Bunny. So, as you can see, Bunny is a very small bird, but he is a good leader, and he made a lot of friends at home. So after he finishes food, he will go back inside to call his friends. So sandcaniers have a golden plumage from their head down to its underpart, and they also have a green wing. Take your time, Bunny. Alright, are you done? Bye-bye, Bunny. Thank you, ate. You now take your seat. Alright. So ma'am, you're next. Ma'am, are you ready? Again, just don't do an extra movement. Relax and don't touch our bird. Okay? Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our group of sandcaniers, Bunny's friends. So as you can see, our birds are free to fly and we don't take their wings. So we let our birds engage in their natural habitat to exercise their natural behavior. Thank you, buddies. Thank you, ma'am. You can now take your seat. So, my volunteer,